How to register US Bank mobile app. To register for US Bank's mobile app, launch the US Bank mobile banking application. Provided that you already have an active bank account on a US Bank and would just like to register for mobile banking. Once here, you can see if you already have login, you can log in using your username and password. But since you're trying to register, tap on create a username and password because we have a bank account but we are not registered for the mobile app. Once we're here on this page, it will ask us for a couple of information regarding our bank account. So you simply have to enter those details over here. Once you enter those respective details, you need to fill in your card account or account number, the last 4 digits of your SSN, then tap on continue. Follow up with a couple of other instructions to create your username and password and you will be successfully registered. This way you can register US Bank mobile app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.